Hello coders, today we are going to solve the Leetcode 197 rising temperature problem. Here it is given as the table name is weather and with three columns, ID as primary key, record date and temperature. Let us understand the problem statement. Write a solution to find all the dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. Return the result table in any order. What is given? They have asked for the IDs of the dates where the temperature of the present date is greater than the previous date. Like if the temperature today is 50, if the temperature of yesterday was 10, then we can return today's date because the temperature of today is higher than the temperature of yesterday. That is given. Let me explain with the example. Here you can see that everything is 2015 and January. Okay, January 1st of 2015, the temperature is 10. For January 2nd, it's 25. It is clearly that the temperature of 2nd is greater than the temperature of January 1st. So we will return the IDs of this date 2 in the output. Likewise, for the ID 4, it is greater. 20 is smaller than 30. So we will return the ID of the record date of January 2015, 4th January of 2015. I think the question is clear now. By observing this question, we can understand that we are using some kind of join, but we have only one table here. So it is clear that we are going to use the self join concept here. Okay, I think everything is clear. Let's dive into the video to write the query part. Select select ID from weather W1 join W2 on. What is the condition? The difference of date between those two should be 1. So we will use the date difference function here. Date difference of W1 dot date. W1 dot record date and W2 dot record date should have a difference of 1. Okay, where W1 dot temperature must be greater than W2 dot temperature. Let me change the column. Okay, let's try to run the code. W1.id. The code is accepted. Let's try to submit it. The code is accepted. Thank you for watching.